Hi friends, this is Mary from Sharing Kindergarten, here to tell you about an app I really like for Daily 5 and reading. This app allows kids to listen to reading and to read a book themselves if they want to. I really enjoy this app, so I hope that this will kind of show you how it works and hopefully you'll enjoy it too. This is a free app called Storia from Scholastic, and it is an iPad-only app, so you can't put it on an iPhone or an iPod. I do believe they make a Kindle Fire version, maybe a Google Play, I'm not positive, but I'm pretty confident a Kindle Fire version. You do have to log into this app with your Scholastic email and password, but once you log in, your students don't actually have to. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. You log in, your kids don't have to. This is what screen comes up when you push the icon on the iPad. I've already signed up, so that was just something else taken care of. So when you come in here, you can manage all the reading materials and you can have bookshelves. Now I just have one bookshelf, but you can have multiple bookshelves. So you can have them on themes or topics. You can have them on grade level or reading level, so lots of different options. If you know me, you know I don't like to limit my kids ever, so I put everything all together. Now, these are the books. This is what is not free about the app. They choose about 5 books you get for free, and they give them to you already in your bookshelf, but any other books you have to acquire, you purchase. And they can be anywhere from $4 for a book that probably isn't interactive to about $7 for a book that is. The really cool thing is you can use Scholastic Dollars to purchase these, and you can have 40 devices using this email address. So you can have a grade level email address, and you guys can all go in and get books together, and then everybody can share them. So it's just a really cool way. If you think about buying a book for $7 and getting 40 copies of it, it seems, almost ridiculous. The other good thing about this app is it does work on a computer as well. So I actually have this app on my 2 desktops at school, and my kids can do listening to reading there. So these are the books. I'm just going to scroll and show you some of them. Now, if they're grayed out, that just means I didn't load them up to this one. To load them, all you have to do is tap on it, and it'll load real quick. So you can see that they have lots of different books. And they also have different little things by them. This is a little speaker, and then this is like a lightning bolt. So they mean different things. I believe that the lightning bolt means interactive, like they're going to read it to you. And the speaker, I think, means it asks you questions. I really like Scholastic books because they have lots of variety. They have fiction, nonfiction. They have just high interest books. They have lots of science books. They have lots of theme books. So let me show you, because President's Day is coming up for us, let me show you this Abraham Lincoln book. The kids can look at the title. They can look at the cover. They can go, now the last time somebody read this book, it looks like they got all the way to the end, which isn't a big deal. But what I'm going to do is I want to go all the way to the front. So you can do this, and you can pull this bar all the way over. And then you can see over here there isn't anything. That's because when the book opens, that would be the other side. Now you can push the speaker here.
My First Biography, Abraham Lincoln, by Marion Dane Bauer, illustrated by Liz Goulet-Dubois.
So super cool. I love how they track the text for the kids, and I'm going to continue in just a second, but I wanted you to notice that they're going to show how the page would actually turn.
My First Biography, Abraham Lincoln, by Marion Dane Bauer, illustrated by Liz Goulet-Dubois. Abraham Lincoln never expected to become President of the United States.
Okay, so let's say the kids want to read it themselves. They obviously have that option as well. They can turn the page themselves, and they can try to read the words. The cool thing is if they can't read the words, Scholastic will come help them. So I really like that one. If they need help, there's a little help key, and up here is the little bookshelf. So if you hit that, you go back to the cover. My kids really love this app. I do think it's smart that if you're going to get an app that's going to read to your children, you kind of want to stick with the same format. I know that some books are cheaper on different sites, but they're more expensive on here, or vice versa. And so some teachers like to have multiple different types of apps. I think it's easier and just more economical to have them all in one spot. So that's the Scholastic Storia app. I really, really hope this helped, and if you kind of like this kind of tutorial, let me know and I'll try to put some more together for you.